Indian Premier League 2026 match number 52 Rajasthan Royals vs Gujarat Titans match played at Sawai Mansingh Stadium, Jaipur. Rajasthan Royals won the toss, elected to field first. Gujarat Titans 20 overs 229 runs lost by 4 wickets. Shubman Gill is the highest scorer, 84 runs, 44 balls. Then Rajasthan Royals best bowling spell, Robindra Jadeja, 4 overs, no maiden, 34 runs, 1 wicket taken. Rajasthan Royals 16.3 overs, 152 runs, all out. Robindra Jadeja is the highest scorer, 38 runs, 25 balls. Then Gujarat Titans best bowling spell, Rashid Khan, 4 overs, no maiden, 33 runs, 4 wickets taken. Gujarat Titans won by 77 runs in this match. Player of the match, Rashid Khan. Congratulations, Gujarat Titans.